Right, let's see how terrible this thing is. Well, starting with the bit we can see, there is no chassis. And no chassis. Wow. Well, that was a bit of the chassis. The body itself seems not too terrible, like. The chassis is absolutely brutalized. Oh look. Oh look, I can see through that. With daylight. Hey Des, you're gonna love this one. Yeah, the chassis is absolutely destroyed. It's actually fairly dry under here. Hey, it really is. That's not as disgusting as I first thought it was going to be. Obviously, definitely need a chassis. Mia, Richards, one of yous, step up. Wow. Yeah. Even the exhaust isn't too terrible, to be fair. Like, obviously we'll renew it anyway. No ace. Yes, no ace. That's just made life a whole lot better. Let's drop it down and see what's what with the rest of it. It's actually not too terrible. Like, it really isn't too terrible. Hello. Gav suffering in the heat. Huh? I promised the people of Facebook and YouTube we wouldn't swear so much on camera.
What was that?
To be fair, that was the rear step and tow bar catching the floor. It's alright. It's ruined anyway. Like, there isn't daft stuff like this. Spiders. Lots of spiders. We don't mind spiders. It's really not that terrible. Got that running it because the alternator is absolutely kaput. But this is quite surprising how well it's come out. From looking at it under the tree the other night, not horrific. It really isn't that horrific.
Yeah.
We've actually put chassis on worse cars. This will clean up into a really nice thing.
It's got water effect on the right side.
Oh yeah, look at that. Got a goldfish in there somewhere. Hang on, can we see the goldfish? Oh, bonus. Bet they're seasonal. Ah, get out. Hey Wurzel, new pair of pliers for you. Sit them in some gearbox oil, they'll be brand new by Monday. Well, okay, all in all, this isn't as bad as we first imagined. First port of call is to get a new set of tyres on it, just so it actually moves. Because, well, it took an awful lot of getting under there. New chassis, all the bushes, links, we knew all that. The body itself is surprisingly good under there. Thought there was going to be all sorts on the body. Yeah. Felt a little bit more upbeat than the other night, really. It really is not bad at all. And as you can see, I'm a fat lad and it's really, really hot. It's probably a better part of 35 or 40 degrees in this here workshop. Yeah. Quite impressed with this whole thing now. It's not as bad. Ooh, let's see if the inner wings are good. No way. Inner wings are alright as well. Both sides, I don't know whether you can see down there, but you still got green paint instead of holes. Like on the surface of it, it looked horrific. Getting stuck into the nitty gritty of it, it's really not that bad. It's going to be fairly straightforward. Still a good chunk of money to do. I think it'll take a bit of sorting out, but it isn't that bad. Happy days. Well, I'll get all the stuff ordered up, and the next instalment will be us pulling it apart. See you in about a week on this one anyway.